glitter box. This is a very light, a peachy shade. For the transition shade, I am using the shade Arrow, and I am applying it all over the crease, and I'm kind of just applying this kind of messily and everywhere just to kind of get my eye ready for the next shade, which will be a lot darker. I'm using the brush Refer 01. I love this. This is so soft and it just blends beautifully. And this is the shade I was talking about. It's a dark brown shade called chocolatier or chocolatier, and I'm using the Sonia G mini booster brush from the Keyaki collection. I love this one because it's great for eyes like mine, you know, a little hooded, a little small, so this gets in there very nicely. I'm applying this from the outer crease to the inner crease, and I am here blending it again with the Refer 01 brush. There's something about viseart eyeshadows. They are very buttery, especially the mattes. They are so good. Like, you do not even have to stress about blending it because it basically literally like blends itself. You don't have to do much work. And as you can see here, you can see that I am kind of applying it heavily because we will be applying those shimmers in the lid, and you do not want to those brown colors to get lost in all of that. And I am also applying it to the outer V because I have decided that I need to do that because without it, it kind of looks weird. So here I am applying it on the outer V using the same brush, and I love it a lot better. And here is the purpley shimmer shade. This is called Amour, and I am applying this on the outer lid, and I will also be applying it in the inner lid because we are creating a sort of halo eye. And I am using a Sonia G mini shader brush. You guys, if you do not like using your fingers to apply shimmers, you got to use this brush because it is a game changer. It is amazing. And I forgot to tell you or show you that I did spray my Morphe setting spray, because that's all I had, onto my brush to make the shimmer even more brighter. And yeah, it looks so beautiful. This purple is like, I don't even know how to explain it. It's like purpley silvery. Yeah, so that looks really great with this gray shade, and this gray shimmer shade is called a Ballad, and I am applying this in the center of my lid. And as you can see here, these two colors complement each other very well with this cool tones, but I don't know, it kind of makes me feel like, what is that thing called? Duochrome? Yeah, this kind of creates its own duochrome because when you angle it, it's like a little purpley, a little silvery. Now I'm going back to the Chocolatier, a shade for my lower lash line. I am applying it with my Shikuhodo pencil brush. This is the softest brush ever. If your lower lash line skin is sensitive and you don't like feeling like those really hard bristles brush, you should just try this because this is super soft. Oh, and I'm connecting it with that outer V earlier just to make everything look so cool and like I tried my best, because I really did try my best, you know, but I want to look like I really tried. And for my inner corner of my eye, I am applying in the shade a Poem. I think that's how you say it. How do you say it? Poem? Poem. And just look at that, the highlight compared to the other eye. Ooh! And I'm applying the same shade for my brow bone highlight because you need that. Okay, so this is the eyeshadow look finished. I did apply my eyeliner and the false lashes in the new number 425 by Ardell. So now I'm gonna put on my lipstick. I wasn't quite sure what lipstick I wanted to do, so I have just decided on the Natasha Denona. I need a nude lipstick in the shade Sammy. That is the number 30. Oh,
It's the number 3B, and I'm gonna pair it with the Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Nude.
This shade is the most neutralist lip liner I have ever owned. If I don't know what to do with my lip liner and my lipstick, you know, I just apply this. And besides, this lip liner matches so well with the Natasha Denona Sammy lipstick. You know, I didn't even know what color name this was. And I was like, Sammy? Oh my gosh, that's like literally my sister-in-law. Okay, so now I'm using a Morphe to set everything.
Alright guys, that is it for this look. I hope that was easy because it truly was easy for me and I am not like a pro or anything. Let me know in the comments below if you have this palette and what you think about it and what other viseart palettes you have. You know, I'm curious. Alright, thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and like this video if you did like it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.